Hello, my name is Lisa Rebel. I'm currently a student, a computer science student. I'm also doing two boot camps. And what I learned in my time in school and the boot camps is that I learn better when I teach somebody something. It helps me practice my fundamentals, review, and I could teach someone something that I know already know. So what I'm gonna be doing at this YouTube channel is I'm gonna be making tutorials as I learn things so that I can practice what I just learned. So yeah, so in this video, I'm showing the LeetCode question contains duplicate. This is a LeetCode easy question, and it's from the blind 75 list. The blind 75 list is a list made by was made by a recruiter, and these 75 questions are famous because like they prepare you for interviews. Like these, if you do these questions, if you could do all these questions right here, you could land a job pretty easily. So I have for this question, I have two different solutions. I have a slow one and a fast one. But before that, let's understand the question. So you're basically you're given an array of numbers, right? And there's a duplicate, you return true. If there isn't, you return false. For example, here there's one, two, three, and one. So there's two ones, so you return true. In this case, it's one, two, three, four. There isn't no duplicates, so you return false. So when I first saw this question, I was like, maybe I could use like a for loop and loop through all the elements. And I tried that at first and it didn't work. But I realized, what if I sort it? Because if I sort the array, right, I have one, one, two, three. So I could just do a check, like if I is equal to I plus one, return true. So the first thing I'm gonna do in this case is I'm gonna sort the array. I'm sorting nums. That's the array giving me the parameter, right? Sorry, I've been coding a lot of JavaScript and there's no things. Now I'll make a for loop for int I. That's my index. So I'm starting at 0. If I, is I is less than nums dot length, minus 1, which is the end of the last element of the array, and I'm incrementing up, right? I do, I do if nums I, that's the current element that I'm looping in the array, is equal to nums I plus 1. So if, right, in this case, if I have an array, it's already sorted. I have one, one, two, three. If one, if the first element is equal to the next element, so one is equal to one, I'll return true. And then if it's not, I just return false. Oops, not in there. Outside the for loop. Or you return false. Now let's see if it works. Yeah, I did it before, a long time ago. Oop, I see I have an error now. Now let's debug. Array. Oh, you see, it's arrays. Now I test it again. Let's see. See, I passed. Okay, let's submit it. The runtime is 40, and this is a O of n. No, it's not O of n. This is higher than O of n because I'm sorting the array, and sorting makes it very slow. So now we're gonna do it without sorting. So let me just duplicate this. Okay, now the second way we could do it is this way, right? You could use a hash set. The reason we use a hash set is because a hash set cannot contain duplicates. So a hash set is like it's a data structure in it's a data structure. It's like a hash map sort of, but it just can't contain duplicates. We're gonna create our hash array, a hash set. Set equal new hash set integer. Right. We have the hash set, and we gotta loop through the elements like always. So int dumb. I'm gonna do it this way now, just so you can see different ways you can loop through arrays. This is called, I forgot what it's called, but basically, you know how in a normal for loop we have I, num is I. So you have to check if I cannot add num, then I return true. This is because, right, I have a hash set. A hash set can't contain duplicates. So let's say I have one, right? So I put one in the hash set. I added it. Then I have one again. I can't add one because it's already in the hash set, and hash set doesn't take duplicates. So after this, I just return false because that's the default. And oops, run code to see if it works. I passed all test cases. I submitted it. As you can see, it's much faster than the other one. The other one we did was 48 milliseconds, and it's only faster than 5%. This one is 4 milliseconds, and it's faster than 99%. So this is the best solution I have so far for this question. This is the all end solution, n being the length of the array. The space capacity is also all n, I think. So if anyone in the comments has a better solution and a faster way to do it, please let me know. Or if it's just a different solution because I'm trying to upskill my skills and I'm willing to learn anyway, as long as it's better than the way I'm currently doing things. But anyways, thank you and see you next video.